This video will cover the VMware Discovery in the Infraon Infinity Suite. VMware Discovery allows technicians to identify VMware hosts, guest VMs, and data stores. This includes understanding the number of VMs that have been created and those running various virtual software or guest operating systems. It automates the identification and monitoring of VMware hypervisors in an IT infrastructure. VMware hypervisors, such as VMware ESXi, are platforms that facilitate creating and managing VMs on physical server hardware. To begin the discovery process, start by inputting the profile name in the callout box. Then, select the type of discovery needed for this operation and enter the host IP address. When the host IP address is provided, the Infinity software will scan the host's IP and collect all the relevant information about the guest VMs. After the scan, the details of the guest VMs and the host will be stored in the software. Add the HTTP device credential for the discovery. Next, select the data collector and continue by clicking Next. Users will encounter some basic filters, which have already been discussed in the previous modules. Next, then select Discover Now and submit the job. The job is now in the system and will be updated once the discovery has been completed by the agent. Upon completion of the discovery, one can confirm that it successfully identified 93 resources. Clicking on the information icon will provide details such as the number of clusters, data stores, guest VMs, and hosts discovered, including the total number of resources found and the resource pool. Moreover, users can review the audit for this discovery. Let's proceed to the Asset page to examine the assets in more detail. All discovered virtualization components are categorized under Virtualization. The hypervisor host can be viewed here. This is the hypervisor host asset where technicians can view basic information about the host. This includes the number of VMs created using this host and the data stores available on it. Here, technicians can see the total number of VMs that are up and running, the configurations used to create these VMs, and the guest operating systems that the VMs are running on. This beta feature showcases the virtual machines running on this host machine. One can view the data stored, the percentage of storage used, and the available free space. In the Hardware tab, users can find the host machine's hardware information displayed. Under Software, the host software version, and detailed software information are available for review. The Resources tab provides a basic overview of the resources. Now, let us navigate to the Guest VM category. Here, each individual VM is displayed as an asset. Details of the guest VMs, including the type of device, the IP address, the current user, and configuration details such as CPU, memory, and disk can be viewed. There is also an option to view the parent machine. Clicking on View Parent navigates back to the host machine to identify which host created the VM. This feature allows users to gather comprehensive information about both the hardware and the resources. This concludes the VMware Discovery in the Infraon Infinity Suite.